Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Subject Science Grade 5, Chapter number 6, Protecting Earth Resources. Lesson number 3, Fossils and Energy, and lesson number 4, Air and Water. My dear student, today we're going to solve, or you can say that you can recheck your homework workbook page number 138, 139, 144, 145, 148 and 149. So I hope you already solved your homework, and now we just going to check our answers are correct or according to this one. So let's start first, page number 138. Here in the fill in the blank, so fill the in the blank with the correct or best option that you have the options here. So the first answer in the first fill in the blank is B. What is B here? Alternative energy. Then after that, the number 2 statement, here the best option is G. So G here mentioned relative age. Then in number 3 statement, the option and the answer is your F. So the F is here mentioned that non-renewable. So after that, number 4, you can say this A, absolute age. Then number 5, this option is D. D stand for here fossils. Number C is B. No, number 6. Now number 6 is H. So you can see there the H is renewable. Then number 7 that mentioned here E. E here as fossil fuel. And the last statement that tells you here about the option number C, C era. So kindly check your answers carefully and match your answer according to this. Now next, page number 139. So the first statement here in page number 139 is coal. After that, the next option is here. The correct answer is oil, then natural gas, after that non-renewable, then alternative energy, then water, and then sun. After that, you can write here pollution, then geothermal, and after geothermal, the last option is here, that is nuclear. So this is the answer of page number 139. So let's start the next lesson and the page number 144. So now going to match the best option for the statement for 144. Now let's see the first statement that tells us about F. F, oceans, that tells the salty water bodies containing most of Earth's water. So we know that this is the ocean. Then after that, option number C. In number 3, your answer is D. After that, number 4 is A, and number 5 is B. Number 6 E, and number 7 G, running water. So these all the options that mentioned here and their answers. So you can match the best option with the correct answer. Now next, go to page number 145. Here the first option that you can choose for the answer, correct answer, is oceans. Then number 2, fresh. Number 3 is your groundwater. Then streams. Number 4. Number 5 is here your reservoirs. So it's not too visible or much easy to read from here, so that's why I'm going to tell you also the answer. So number 5 is reservoir. Number 6 is aquifers. Number 7 word is oxygen. Number 8 is food, and number 9, the last fill in the blanks, is here plants. So then we go to next, page number 148. So circle or choose the best letter from the MCQs multiple choices, the best option you can choose here in number 1 is C, that's mineral. Then number 2, the best option or the correct one is sedimentary. After that, number 3 is lava and magma. Number 4 is option number B, very high temperature. Number 5, here the best option is D, soil. Then number 6, the best option for you is C, humus. And the number 7 is the A is the best option, or you can say that the topsoil. Now then we go to the next page, page number 149. After 48, now the next page is 149. Here in this, the option for you the best is pollution, number B. Then A, fossils. Number 10 is the correct option is C, oil. For 11 question, the best option is option C, the sun. Number 12 is the B. Number 13, A. Number 14, C option. And number 15, the last option is the D, smoke. Hope you understand and solve all the answers with yourself. If any mistake or you have any problem, you can check and verify your answer again. Thanks for watching.